sweetheart. You bouncing? Hey. You like to bounce in there, don't you? Yeah. There you go. This is Abigail. She's 3 months old. She loves to kick her feet. So when I put her in the jumpy swing, it bounces her around. You like to bounce. Hey, sweetheart. Hey, look over here. There you go. Hey. Hey, Abigail. Yay. Oh, that's a big jump. Yeah. There you go. Bouncy, bouncy. Hey, Abigail, look over here, sweetheart. Abigail, look over here. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Yeah. Uh-huh. There, you love bouncing. It's hard when you slip and slide on the floor. Yeah, better on the carpet. Whoa, there was a big one. Say hi. Hi, baby. You gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? Are you gonna smile? No, you're not gonna smile. What are you doing? Just bouncing around. Tasting onions. You're good at jumping. You're getting that thumb. Oh, where'd your thumb go? There's the finger. Hey. Hey. Hey, you sweetie. Hey, Mr. Lion. Yeah, you got a toy right here. Roar. Is that yummy? Mmm, nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Look at all that curly hair. Alright, we gotta get ready to eat some food, don't we? Yeah, you ready for some milk? Okay, I'll go get your bottle ready. You sit here and bounce. Do it to here and bounce, bounce, bounce. Hi. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.